my name is Nagesh Tompe and today's video topic is encapsulation in Java. What is meant by encapsulation? Encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming. It is also known as OOPS concepts. That refers to the bundling of data and methods that operate on that data within a single unit, which is called a class in Java. Encapsulation is a way of hiding the implementations details of class from outside access and only exposing a public interface that can be used to interact with the class. In Java, encapsulation is achieved by declaring the instance variables of a class as a private, which means they can only be accessed within the class. To allow outside access to the instance variables, public methods and called getters and setters are defined, which are used to retrieve and modify the values of the instance variables. Respectively, by using getters and the setters, the class can enforce its own data validation rules and ensure that its internal state remains consistent. The encapsulation is defined as the wrapping of data under a single unit. It is the mechanism that binds together code and the data. It manipulates another way to think about encapsulation. That is the protective shield that prevents the data from being accessed by the code outside the shield. Technically, in encapsulation, a variables or data of a class is hidden from any other class and can be accessed only through any member function of its own class in which it is declared. As an encapsulation, the data in a class is hidden from other classes using the data hiding concept, which is achieved by making the members or methods of a class as a private, and the class is exposed to the end users or the world without providing any details behind the implementations using the abstraction concepts. So it is also known as a combination of data hiding and abstraction. Encapsulation can be achieved by declaring all the variables in the class as a private and writing public methods in the class to set and get the values of the variables. It is more defined with the setters and getters methods. Let's discuss advantages of encapsulation. First is the data hiding. It is a way of restricting the access of our data members by hiding the implementation details. Encapsulation is also provides a way for data hiding. The user will have no idea about the inner implementation of the class. It will not be visible to the user how the class is storing values in the variables. The user only will know that we are passing the values to a setter and method. Setter methods and variables are getting initialized with that values. Thank you, friends.